Hello, hello, my wonderful friends. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Mighty Spriggles channel. I am so happy you are here with me today. We are going to go on a super exciting adventure together. Are you ready for some fun? We are going to learn all about some very special, very tiny, very buzzy little creatures. They fly all around from flower to flower, and they have stripes. Can you guess who they are? That's right. We are going to learn all about bees. Get your buzzing wings ready, because it's going to be a bee-tastic day full of wonder and discovery. Today is going to be the best day ever. We will shrink down to the size of a little bug and peek inside the secret world of bees. We will discover where they live, what they eat, and how they work together like a super team. Have you ever wondered how bees make that sweet, yummy honey that you love on your toast? Well, today we are going to find out. We will also learn about their special dances and the secret messages they share with each other. It's like they have their very own secret code, and we are going to crack it together. So put on your explorer hats, and let's get ready to buzz. This adventure is perfect for everyone, whether you are big or small. We will use simple words and play fun games as we go. We will sing songs about our fuzzy, buzzy friends, and maybe even learn how to do their special bee dance. It's going to be so much fun, you won't even realize how much you're learning. Bees are amazing little helpers for our whole world, and it's so important to be their friend. Before we fly off, make sure you are comfy and cozy. Maybe you have a favorite stuffed animal with you to watch with us. Our journey will take us through sunny fields of flowers deep inside a busy beehive, and we will meet all the different kinds of bees that live there. We will learn big words like pollination, but I will make them super easy and fun to understand. You are going to be a bee expert by the end of our show. 1, 2, 3. Let's go, Mighty Spriggles! So, first things first, what exactly is a bee? A bee is a tiny, flying insect. That's right, an insect. You can often see them buzzing around in gardens or parks, especially when the sun is shining and the flowers are out. Bees have 6 little legs, 2 pairs of wings that flutter super fast, and 2 wiggly antennae on their heads to help them feel and smell. Most bees are fuzzy and have black and yellow stripes, which helps them look a little bit like a tiny flying tiger. But don't worry, bees are much friendlier than tigers, especially when we are gentle and kind to them. These amazing little insects love flowers. They are like tiny flying explorers searching for treasure. Their treasure is a sweet, sugary juice inside the flowers called nectar. They slurp it up with their long, straw-like tongue, which is called a proboscis. That's a funny word, isn't it? Proboscis. They also collect a special yellow powder from flowers called pollen. They have tiny little hairs all over their bodies that the pollen sticks to, and sometimes they have special baskets on their legs to carry it. It's like they are going grocery shopping at the flower store for their whole family. Where do our bee friends live? They don't live in houses like we do. Most honeybees live together in a special home called a hive, inside a hollow tree, in a special box a beekeeper makes, or sometimes even in the wall of an old building. Inside the hive, it is a very busy city full of thousands and thousands of bees. They all live and work together in a big family called a colony. They build their home out of a special wax that they make themselves, creating lots of tiny 6-sided rooms called honeycomb cells. So, a bee is a fuzzy flying insect that loves flowers and lives with its big family in a hive. They have a very important job to do, which we will learn all about soon. They are busy all day long, flying from flower to flower, collecting food, and taking care of their home, helping flowers grow, and making delicious honey. Now that we know what a bee is, are you ready to take a peek inside their amazing home? Let's go see what it's like inside a buzzing beehive. It's going to be so cool. Let's imagine we are tiny enough to crawl right into the beehive. Wow, look around. It is a super busy city made of wax. This is the bee kingdom. It's called a colony. Inside this buzzing kingdom, there are 3 different types of bees: queen bee, worker bee, drone bee. First, the queen bee. There is only one queen in the whole hive. She is the mommy of almost all the other bees. She is a little bigger, and her main job is to lay lots of tiny eggs. The workers take great care of her. She is the heart of the hive. Next, worker bees. Almost all the bees you see flying outside are worker bees. They are all girls. When they are young, they work inside the hive as nurse bees, taking care of the baby bees. Builders, they make the honeycomb. Guards, they protect the hive. They keep the hive clean and make sure everything is perfect for the queen and the babies. Then, drone bees. Drone bees are the boy bees. They are a little bigger and chunkier with really big eyes. Their special job, help the queen make new baby bees. They don't have stingers and they don't collect nectar or pollen. They don't do any work inside the hive either. After their main job is done, they don't stay in the hive for very long. Drones are the daddies. The queen is the mommy. Worker bees are the big helpful sisters who do everything else. Isn't that amazing? A whole city of bees all working together. You have the queen bee, the mother of the hive, laying all the eggs. You have the super busy worker bees, doing all the jobs from cleaning, building, to collecting food. And you have the drone bees, the boy bees, who help the queen. Everyone in the bee kingdom has a purpose and works together to make sure the colony is healthy and strong. It's a perfect example of teamwork. Now, let's find out how all these thousands of bees talk to each other to get all this work done. Bee talk time. Are you ready? So, how do thousands of bees in a dark, crowded hive know what to do? How does a forager bee tell her sisters where she found a whole field of yummy flowers? They can't talk like we do, can they? No, they can't. They have a super special way of communicating. They dance. Bees talk by doing special dances. It's one of the most amazing things in the animal kingdom. It's like a secret treasure map made of dance moves. One famous dance is the Waggle dance. Waggle, waggle, waggle. A forager bee finds nectar, flies back, and performs the Waggle dance. The Waggle dance tells the other bees the direction of the flowers and how far away they are. The bee walks in a straight line, waggling her body back and forth, then circles around to do it again. The direction she waggles shows which way to fly relative to the sun. How do they know how far to go? The length of her waggle tells them. Flowers very close, short, quick waggle. Flowers far away, long, slow waggle. Other bees gather, watch, and feel her movements with their antennae. They understand the dance and fly directly to the spot. It's like giving perfect GPS directions by dancing. Bees also use smells to talk. These smells are called pheromones. Queen pheromone lets the hive know she's there and healthy. It's like her royal perfume. It keeps the colony calm and working together. Alarm pheromone warns sisters of danger nearby. Between dances and smells, bees have a complex way of talking, making sure everyone in their big family is safe and knows what to do. Ready for something sweet? Let's talk about something super sweet and delicious: honey. We all love honey on our pancakes, in our tea, or just as a yummy treat. But have you ever wondered how bees actually make it? It all starts with the flowers. Forager bees fly out of the hive on a mission, searching for flowers full of sugary nectar. Using their long, straw-like tongue, they slurp nectar from deep inside the flower. Nectar goes into a special honey stomach. They visit hundreds of flowers to fill it up. When the forager's honey stomach is full, she flies back to the hive. She passes the nectar to a younger worker bee inside. That bee holds the nectar in her mouth for a while. She adds special enzymes, and the nectar starts to change. The nectar gets passed from bee to bee, each adding enzymes. This begins turning flowery nectar into the start of honey. After mixing, bees place the nectar into the wax rooms of the honeycomb. But it's still too watery to be honey, so the bees fan the honeycomb with their wings. Super, super fast. The breeze helps extra water evaporate and float away. As water leaves, the nectar grows thicker and sweeter. Ta-da! It's honey! Once it's just right, bees seal the cell with a wax cap to keep it clean and fresh. Bees make honey as food for winter. When it's cold and there are no flowers, bees huddle inside and eat the honey they stored. It gives them energy to stay warm until spring. So when we eat honey, we're enjoying the sweet food these amazing little creatures made for themselves. Bees do so much more than just make honey. They have one of the most important jobs on the entire planet. They are pollinators. As a bee buzzes from flower to flower, some of that pollen rubs off onto the next flower she visits. This process is called pollination. It is like magic for plants. It's how they make seeds and grow new fruits and vegetables. Think about your favorite fruits and veggies. Do you like apples, strawberries, cucumbers, blueberries? We have bees to thank for so many of them. Without bees carrying pollen between flowers, plants couldn't grow the yummy food we love. The flower would just wilt and fall off without ever turning into a fruit. So, every time you bite into a juicy apple or a sweet strawberry, say a little thank you to a busy bee. They are like tiny gardeners for the whole world. Bees pollinate many kinds of plants, including wildflowers. This helps create beautiful meadows and fields full of colorful flowers. These plants then provide food and shelter for lots of other animals, like birds, squirrels, and other little critters. So, by helping the plants, bees help many other animals survive. They are a key part of the ecosystem. Everything in nature is connected, and bees are a super important link in that chain. If bees were to disappear, it would be a very big problem. We would have a lot less of our favorite fruits and vegetables to eat. Our grocery stores would look very empty. Farmers would have a very hard time growing crops. That's why our Buzzy buddies are so important. They aren't just cute little insects. They are essential workers that help feed the world and keep nature in balance. We really, really need them. Bees aren't just helpful to us. They have friends all over the animal kingdom. Think about a big brown bear. What do bears love to eat? That's right, honey. Real bears scoop out honeycomb for a special treat. Other animals, like badgers and skunks, also enjoy a honey snack if they can find it. By pollinating berry bushes and other plants, bees help grow the food that these animals eat all year long. Even little birds are friends with bees. Some birds like to eat bees, but many rely on the work bees do. Hummingbirds also drink nectar from flowers, and many birds eat seeds and berries from bee-pollinated plants. By helping flowers and plants grow everywhere, bees help create healthy habitats, or homes, for countless other creatures big and small. And what about us? People. For thousands of years, people have been working with bees. We call people who take care of bees beekeepers. Beekeepers provide safe homes called apiaries, keep bees healthy, and collect some extra honey. It's a sweet friendship. Beekeepers love their bees and work very hard to protect them and help their colonies grow strong. Bees give us delicious honey, help our gardens grow fruits and vegetables, and make the world more beautiful with more flowers. Are you ready for some mind-blowing fun facts about bees? Did you know a single bee makes only about 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its entire life? That's such a tiny amount. It takes the hard work of thousands of bees working together to fill a whole jar of honey. Every single drop is the life's work of many bees. Here's another one. Bees have 5 eyes, 2 big compound eyes on the sides, made of thousands of tiny lenses, and 3 smaller eyes on top called ocelli to sense light and help them navigate. Bees can fly really fast. A honeybee can reach up to 15 miles per hour. Their wings beat about 200 times every single second. That super fast flapping makes the buzzing sound. They are like tiny speedy jets, zooming around on important missions. Last fun fact, bees are amazing mathematicians. Honeycomb cells are perfect hexagons, 6 sides, the strongest, best shape for storing the most honey using the least amount of wax. Expert engineers. Wow, what an incredible adventure we have had today. We journeyed inside their busy hive, met the queen, the workers, and the drones, learned their jobs, and even learned the waggle dance. Bees are tiny superheroes that help our world stay healthy and full of yummy food and beautiful flowers. Now that we know how important bees are, we can all be bee heroes. How do we do that? It's easy and fun. Plant flowers that bees love. Lavender, sunflowers, daisies. A big, beautiful buffet for bees. Plant in a garden, in a pot on your balcony, or help at a park. Be gentle and calm when you see a bee. If you leave them alone, they will leave you alone. Don't use yucky chemicals or sprays in gardens. Support local beekeepers by buying their delicious honey. That helps them care for colonies and keep bees healthy for years to come. Thank you. Thank you for joining our ultimate bee adventure today, Mighty Spriggles friends. Let's all promise to be bee heroes and protect our Buzzy buddies. Give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends so they can become bee heroes too. Subscribe to the Mighty Spriggles channel so you don't miss our next amazing adventure. Thank you for watching. Please like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe on Mighty Spriggles channel. Bye-bye for now. See you next time on Mighty Spriggles.